Pokemon Legends Arceus is back, and better than before. Tonight we're going to draw another Hisuian Pokemon Evolution. As easy as it sounds, Overquil is one of the newest Pokemon evolutions for the series. Man, drawing you is way too easy. And it's actually fascinating that Quillfish actually has an evolved form. I'm quite proud of him. Finally, this guy is finally finished. You enjoy drawing a legendary Pokemon? I do as well. There's lots more of the legendary Pokemon to finally finish up, and we're going to draw them all as our mission is finally almost done. That's how you draw Overquil. Please like your blog and subscribe to my channel, and check out which Pokemon you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. One more thing. Alexa, what is a pufferfish?
Okay, here's animal sounds. Sorry, an error occurred.
Alexa, what is a pufferfish?
Sorry, an error occurred.
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye.
Alexa, what is a pufferfish?
The noun, pufferfish, can have a couple meanings. 1. Any species of fish of the family Tetradontidae that have the ability to inflate themselves to a globe several times their normal size by swallowing water or air when threatened. Puffer, blowfish, swellfish, balloonfish, globefish. 2. A delicacy
porcupine
popular
puffer.
in Japan served raw as sushi.
That's what pufferfish are.
Properly prepared.
That's what Overquil
contain
looks like.
deadly levels
A
of
giant
neurotoxins.
pufferfish.
Japanese, fugu.
There he is. Stegosaurus, see you later.